When art meets tradition, creating Coricheddos, Sardinian sweets that look like real jewels. Today Elisabetta will show us how to make Coricheddos, the crispy heart-shaped sweets typical of Sardinia. To prepare Coricheddos, Elisabetta uses simple but high-quality ingredients: flour, almonds, Sardinian honey, and dried orange peel. The almonds and dried orange peel are ground. Sardinian honey is brought to a boil, and then the almonds and dried orange peel are added, and with a wooden ladle it is stirred while cooking. The mixture should become a polenta that, when properly cooked, does not become greasy. Once the mixture comes off the pan, it should be laid on baking paper and with a rolling pin rolled out, maintaining a thickness of about 1 centimeter. After resting, Elisabetta rolls out the dough and cuts it into different shapes with a special mold. Next, Elisabetta goes on to make the violata dough with these ingredients: semolina flour, strutto, 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1 pinch of salt and warm water. These ingredients are mixed and kneaded in a planetary mixer. Then the resulting dough is rolled out and kneaded by hand for a few minutes. Using a rolling pin or a sheeter, the violata dough is rolled out. Through the use of special tools such as pasta cutter wheels, Elisabetta masterfully takes care of making the shapes, creating the roses and leaves and the various components that will then be assembled for the final creation of the Coricheddos. Once the Coricheddos are created, they are placed on the baking sheet and baked at a temperature of 100 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes. The result is a crispy and light dessert with an irresistible aroma. The shape of Coricheddos resembles that of a heart, with decorations in the shape of roses and leaves, making them instantly recognizable. They are prepared for big festive occasions and events such as weddings, and given to the bride and groom as real jewels, with truly precious lace and decorations. The name Coricheddos in the Sardinian language means little hearts, small hearts, which are one of the most popular forms of these sweets. The filling is enclosed in precious embroideries of dough. Coricheddos are crunchy heart-shaped sweets, typical of Sardinia, which are one of the most popular specialties of the Sardinian culinary tradition. These artisanal sweets are distinguished by their delicate and characteristic shape, which recalls that of a heart, and by their crunchiness, which makes them irresistible to the palate. Elisabetta Farchi is a great interpreter of them. Here are the Coricheddos, ready to be enjoyed. Thanks to Elisabetta Farchi's passion and creativity, these typical Sardinian sweets become true works of art. Coricheddos are a dessert that encapsulates all the tradition and authenticity of Sardinia.